Okay, in this case, we want to simplify this expression which comes with radical form, the squared form. So one of the methods was what? Try to remove the radical forms, right? Then one of our algebra formula is square root of a times b is same as square root of a times square root of b, which means what? We can separate this multiplication and division for square root form, right? Another one is square root of a over b is a division, right? Then it's the square root of a over square root of b, okay? If it's necessary, right? So why do you want to separate them right now? Because the hint is the power of x and y is even numbers. So remember that, like if we have square root of 4, then that is square root of 2 squared. Then actually we can cancel out square root with square, right? So that's how we can remove it. So in that formula part, right, for simplification, I just mentioned remove square root form, right? But the question is how, right? Just look at the inside and looking for whether you can make some kind of even power to it, okay? So please keep that on in your mind. So we want somehow like separate this expression inside the radical form into several pieces. Why? Because it's too complicated to find common even powers for everything, right? So it's better to separate them using this formula. Right? So it's going to be square root of 18 times square root of x to the 10 times square root of y to the 6, right? Then the second one, square root of x to the 10 is same as what? Okay, if you want to compare with that style, then square root of x to the 10 is same as square root of x to the 5 squared, right? And one of the formula in algebra is a to the m times n is same as a to the m to the n, right? Vice versa, okay? So we can do that. Then whatever it is, right? It's something to the square form. That square cancel out square root form. So we have x to the 5th. So roughly, you can remember this way. If you want to remove radical form, then just take the half of that power. Right? So x to the 10 change to x to the 5th. So the third one, square root of y to the 6th. So what is the half of 6? It's 3, then y to the 3. That's it. And even in general case, if you have z to the 7 in there, then that is same as what? G to the 7 half, because it's just half of the power. You can remember that one, right? So like a square root of 3 is same as what? 3 to the 1 half. It's the same thing. It's a half of that power, okay, which is 1 at the time. So the second term is changed to x to the 5th. Third one changed to the y to the cube. It's really good simplification of it, but still there is something more, which is that once again apply that rule again. Square root of 18 is same as square root of 2 times 9, right? So it's changed to like that, and the 9 is 3 squared. Oh, sorry, it should be y. Then that is 3, right? So altogether, 3 square root of 2 times x to the 5th y cubed. Okay? So that's the simplification of the given expression. Now, question might be like, oh, how do you know, right? How do you know that we have to separate? How do I know that it's 2 times 9? No one could tell you. Okay? Only experience tells you something is missing. I can do something more, right, at the moment. Okay? Your experience tells you that thing, right? So that much you need some practice. Unless you're gonna lost, okay? So please do some practice.